How many parents do you know who struggle with chaos or conflict? Imagine having the parenting skills to create harmony and happiness in your home. Hi, I'm parenting expert Cynthia Klein, author of the book Ally Parenting. Many parents complain that their kids don't want to do chores or want to do other responsibilities. Parents end up pushing and prodding their kids, and everyone ends up feeling bad. Does this sound familiar? If so, I invite you to join me for my free workshop on August 6th, where you will learn how to effectively gain cooperation from your kids using my 5-step collaborator process. You can use this challenging time together to build greater connection and cooperation in your family. So your kids will contribute more willingly, feel good about themselves, and you will too. It's not your job to ask for help with the chores. Follow the link to learn more or register for the workshop. Surviving to Thriving with the Kids at Home. For more information about the Ally Parenting approach, I invite you to check out my website, allyparenting.com. Remember, children follow your lead, so lead as their ally.